I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making peanut butter pretzel bites. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. November is National Peanut Butter Lovers Month, so I decided that each of this month's recipes will feature that sweet and nutty spread. And for you compadres who have problems with nuts, I've included a link in the description to an article with some alternatives. Tonight we feature a treat made with pretzels, peanut butter filling, and chocolate. It's super simple, and I think you're going to like it. I found the recipe on the Princess Pinky Girl website, and there's also a link to that site in the description so you can check it out. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own peanut butter pretzel bites, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. And if you stick around after the recipe, I'll share some peanut butter trivia that you might find amusing. For this recipe, I used 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter, 3 tablespoons of room temperature unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of granulated white sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of powdered sugar, some mini twist pretzels, and 1 cup of dark chocolate. I'm also using a mixer, a spatula, a small scoop, a lined cutting board, a bowl, and a couple of precision dipping tools. Okay, let's make some candy. Add the peanut butter, granulated white sugar, and salt to a bowl and mix until it's fully combined. Gradually beat in the powdered sugar on a low setting until you have a soft dough. Scoop some of the peanut butter mixture and roll it into a ball. Sandwich the peanut butter ball between 2 pretzels and place it on the lined cutting board. Repeat with the remaining peanut butter dough. Melt or temper the chocolate, then dip a treat into the chocolate, let it drain, and return it to the lined cutting board. The recipe on the website says to only dip half of the treat into the chocolate, but I wanted to have it fully coated just to protect everything, so I dipped the entire thing. Which way you go is up to you. You can see I dipped a few of them just halfway. Continue with the rest of the treats, then leave them on the counter to set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slancheva. The crisp coating, crunchy pretzel, and creamy peanut butter mixture work together to provide a really nice variety of textures. Of course, chocolate and peanut butter are always a great combo, but the salty pretzels really elevate the flavor profile. If you're looking for a super simple treat that would go great on a holiday table, or any table, you really ought to try these. The average US adult eats a peanut butter and jelly sandwich 3 times a month. I am way behind the curve on this one. If you have a moment, I'd love to know if you're above or below average here. Please let me know in the comments. George Washington Carver was known as the grandfather of peanuts. He discovered many ways to use peanuts and innovative farming methods, including crop diversification and soil conservation. Finally, while the average European eats less than 1 tablespoon of peanut butter a year, Americans eat enough peanut butter every year to coat the floor of the Grand Canyon. I'll be sharing some more nutty facts as the month progresses, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. Those salty pretzels really elevate the flavor.